Top of the morning, everybody. It's a blistering 60 some odd degrees this morning already, so it's a good sign that there's a cold front coming. I think it's a couple days out still, though. I think we got rain coming back in tomorrow. As you can see behind me, I've kind of started on unpacking this mill a little bit, and we're going to play jigsaw puzzle today. I'm not going to do a full tutorial of how to put one of these together. Once I get it done, if anybody does buy one of these and has any questions, feel free to holler at me. I'll see if I can answer it for you. But more or less, let you guys follow along and watch me put this puzzle together. Bear with me, folks. It is windier than all get out. I've been over here putting this power head together, and it's real close. I just got a couple little knickknacks on there and should be ready to sit on there, but I am calling it done for the day. I'm tired. I'm hot. I'm just done. Rain's supposed to come in tomorrow. If it don't come in the morning, I'll probably finish putting this together. If not, it's liable to be the next day, whatever that is. Mama's not around. Tell me what day. I think it might be Thursday. I'm not positive. So if it rains tomorrow, Friday, then it'll be Saturday, unless if Mama's got other plans for me on Saturday. Never can tell. We shall see. But got the little frame lined out. I know once this power head gets on there, it's going to shift the weight a little bit, but this is a temporary spot for it. I got plans for it over here somewhere else, so that was just a quick throw together. I just had to knock out about 4 inches of dirt, a couple of drags with the tractor, and had that deal pretty much lined out. So that's all we've got for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and we will see you guys tomorrow.